Anglers across the country are celebrating a new federal law that changes how fisheries are managed.
That's right. It's known as the Modern Fish Act, and it was passed into law last week. Sunrise reporter Chelsea Torres is live this morning at Texas A&M University Corpus Christi. So, Chelsea, what does this law do?
Well, this law really does a lot for recreational saltwater anglers. Now, two scientists here at the Hart Research Institute were part of the ones, along with policymakers and anglers across the nation, that really got this law passed just last week. Now, the whole premise behind the Modern Fish Act is to create stability and better access to recreational anglers. The newly signed bill, the Modern Fish Act, will now change how recreational fisheries will be managed compared to commercial fisheries.
It's the first piece of legislation that really recognizes that recreational fishing is an important economic part of our coasts all around the nation, and particularly here in South Texas.
And recreational fisheries are very, very different than commercial fisheries, where a commercial fishery might want to land fish by the ton and sell it at the dock at a price per pound at the dock. Recreational fisheries are all about access to the resource.
Hart Research Institute's Executive Director, Dr. Larry McKinney, and Director of HRI's Center for Sportfish Science and Recreation, Dr. Greg Stuns, played a key role in the Modern Fish Act, providing key data and proving why managing recreational saltwater fishing is important.
Recreational fisheries are multi-billion-dollar industries, upwards of the $40 billion. They create hundreds of thousands of jobs, and so they're very, very important, and this act recognizes the value of recreational fisheries to the nation.
This year, certain fish under federal management, such as mahi-mahi, king mackerel, and cobia, will be looked at to see if they are best managed under recreational fisheries.
And that will help make them more available to people, that we will reduce our commercial catch of those things and refocus on making them more abundant for recreational purposes, which are higher economic value.
Now, anglers might find this pretty interesting. Here this year, Dr. McKinney and Dr. Stuntz both tell us that they expect the red snapper industry to actually grow. They see larger seasons, longer seasons, and better access to those resources.